Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Reactive repairs feel cheaper until you add up the downtime, truck rolls, repeat failures, and missed production. On a utility-scale solar portfolio, that delay can quietly compound into major annual loss. In this video, we will show why Predictive O&M is becoming the operating standard for serious asset managers. Most sites are still run like this. Something breaks, a ticket appears, a team gets dispatched, and only then does diagnosis begin. That approach feels familiar because it's simple. But the problem is that revenue has already been leaking for days or weeks by the time the issue is isolated. By the time the fault is obvious enough to trigger action, the production loss has usually already spread beyond the original defect. Phase 1 is understanding the cost of reactive behavior. When maintenance starts after failure becomes visible, you usually pay more in labor, lose more energy, and increase the risk that one fault masks another. A small issue can sit behind a larger one. A hotspot can hide a connector problem. A string underperformance can get buried inside a portfolio average that still looks acceptable on paper. That is what makes reactive work so expensive. You are not just fixing a fault. You are often paying for delay. This is especially dangerous across large plants where underperformance can hide inside acceptable portfolio averages. If you only look at the big picture, everything seems fine. But one inverter, one tracker zone, or one string group can quietly drag down revenue without standing out in the summary report. That means the portfolio can look healthy while value is leaking in the background. Phase 2 is defining Predictive O&M correctly. Predictive maintenance is not just more monitoring. It is the ability to detect patterns early, classify the likely failure mode, prioritize by financial impact, and schedule intervention before a defect becomes an expensive event. In other words, Predictive O&M is not about collecting more noise. It is about turning data into earlier and better decisions. That is where drone inspections, thermal analysis, and automated issue classification create leverage. Instead of asking engineers to manually sort through fragmented site data, ClearSpot helps teams turn inspection inputs into ranked operational actions. The human team still decides remediation. The automation removes the reporting drag. This is the real gain. Your engineers spend less time gathering evidence and more time using it. This matters because not all defects deserve the same response. A minor anomaly, a persistent hotspot, a soiling cluster, and a tracker issue should not live in the same queue. Better O&M happens when the system separates noise from revenue-critical issues. If you treat all issues equally, you slow down the ones that matter most. Phase 3 is tying Predictive O&M to business outcomes. Better scheduling reduces surprise downtime. Faster triage reduces wasted labor. Cleaner prioritization improves owner reports. Over time, that means lower O&M overhead, faster repair cycles, and stronger production confidence across the portfolio. Predictive O&M is not just a technical upgrade. It is an operational and financial upgrade. For asset managers, this matters because consistency is a competitive advantage. When you can see problems earlier, rank them correctly, and route them into action faster, your entire operation becomes easier to run. Like, share and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot. Smart device, smarter decisions.